system of presses writing in shorthand was more popular in international assemblies, and this system can with advantage be adopted in this country. This system will help in the production of a gist of the proceedings immediately after the event. We could also introduce the use of noiseless typewriters in various offices. Knowledge of English was necessary to keep in touch with the latest developments in shorthand throughout the world. Shorthand is now useful in many professions in foreign countries and in international conferences. Copies of speeches are made available immediately the proceedings are over. As a member of the Legislative Council, it would facilitate a great deal for me to know the proceedings of the other house if the copies were made out to the members immediately after the day's session is over. Adoption of dictation system by parliamentary reporters would help a lot in reducing delays in getting typed reports. Para, I would like to refer to the progress shorthand has made in the regional languages. I find that some attempts are being made now and then for developing shorthand and typewriting in the regional languages. Though regional languages would be given emphasis, I hope that practitioners of the art will always, for their own sake, for the future of their profession, retain a sound knowledge of English and keep in touch with the latest developments in those arts in other countries. I thank you all for giving me this opportunity to be associated with your seminar. Para to Messrs. Spencer and Company Limited, Mount Road, Madras. Dear Sirs, Para, we acknowledge with thanks the receipt of your letter of the 10th May, forwarding your latest catalogue and your detailed estimate for furnishing our sales emporium to be newly opened at Bezwada with all the necessary articles of furniture and mattresses as required by us in our letter of the first instant. Your quotations for the rosewood articles are very high, and we regret that it is not possible for us to accept the same. Para, the board of directors have decided that all the articles except those intended for the manager's room should be made of strong thick wood, and that those in the manager's room should be of the finest rosewood and latest style. All the chairs should be provided with spring cushioned seats. Para, it is also proposed to provide all the rooms of the emporium with electric lights and fans. We shall be glad to know if you can undertake the same and complete it before the end of this month in order to avoid unnecessary correspondence and to save time. We would suggest that your representative may be deputed to go over here in 2 or 3 days to prepare a correct estimate for all the works in the light of instructions that would be given by our manager. Our chief minister will open the sales emporium on the 13th instant, soliciting your immediate reply. Yours faithfully.